Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It is Jaynie Cakez here again. Today I am going to review a couple things from the new Kat Von D 10-year anniversary collection. I am creating this lovely look that you see right here. Originally I was going for like a rainbow look because this palette just speaks rainbow vibes to me, but I think it turned out more of a fiery orange, kind of like almost like a Charmander look. I don't know. It's a look, that's for sure. So anyways, just let's jump right into the video and you can watch me create this look. Drum roll, please. The Kat Von D 10-year anniversary collection. This collection to me is important because Kat Von D has been in my life for many years. Before I even got into the makeup scene, I discovered LA Ink. I think it was LA Ink. I discovered LA Ink. They had it on demand for like, I don't know, Xfinity or whatever the hell internet service I had at my parents' house when I was a teenager. But I discovered LA Ink and I watched every season of it and I was absolutely obsessed with Kat Von D. Every inch of her, from her freaking scene girl jet black hair to her red lipstick to her face tattoos and her bald cat. In the community, I realized that she was like a big hitter in the beauty community. It like dawned on me, I'm like, oh my god, I remember that episode when she used her concealer to cover all the tattoos on her body, and I thought, oh my god, that is so cool. And now, years later, I'm using her foundations and contour kit, which has been legendary. No one talks about it anymore, but it was hype for a long time. Anyway, so I only bought two things out of the collection because for one, broke out, but also for two, just because they were the two that I really wanted. There was like a lip top coat and then a special edition liner or something, but this is what I wanted. I wanted the eyeshadow palette, which is amazing, and I wanted the highlighter. So we'll start out by looking at the highlighter. It is called Gold School Extreme Highlighter, and I cannot get the package open. There we go. And when you open it up, it is in this cute little gold compact, which is lightweight. It's made out of plastic, so I feel like this would be a nice thing to just have. I'm a server, so it would be perfect for me to have in my server apron, so that if I ever just needed to like use the mirror or touch up my highlight or whatever I wanted to do, I would have this little bad boy in my pocket. So many different little pigments in there, but we're just going to do a little finger swatch on my white skin. I thought it was the perfect highlighter for me because I'm super pale. And so that way I still get the luminescence, but I'm not like gold. For example, I tried the Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty and I was so excited to try it, and I put it on my face in Sephora and it looked like someone just took gold eyeshadow and just like swatched it on my cheek. It was so bad. And now I'm not saying that the Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty isn't to die for, because it absolutely is. But when you look like Casper, you gotta tone it back on the dark gold tones. Anyways, I digress. Onward. This packaging. I love nice packaging. So you pull it out and it's in this little black casing. Open that up and you get this gorgeous, gorgeous palette. She did such a good job at capturing basically a full rainbow and still including so many nude shades. Anyways, today I'm thinking of doing something gold with like a hint of rainbow mixed in. So we're gonna start playing and see what comes out of it. I'm gonna take just a little bit of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Clearly I am ready for a new bottle as the label is wiping off of this one. Now that my primer has basically set, I'm going to do something that I have been doing lately that helps me blend out the rest of my eyeshadow, and I'm going to set my lids. So I'm going to use this cute new brush that I got from Ipsy. It is from SL Miss Glam, and it is adorable. It's like a duochromatic color up here, and it has two rhinestones. Super cute. Anyway, so I'm going to go in with some Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to literally set this whole area so that I can easily blend the shadows together and nothing will stick to the primer. Just a standard blending brush. This is honestly the first step I do no matter what I'm doing when I'm doing my makeup. I choose a transition shade, crease shade, I take a blending brush, and I just get in there. So I think I'm going to go in with this orange right here. And I want this top half to be a nice warm undertone because I'm going to go for a gold smoky eye on top, I believe. And then I'm going to do a rainbow look underneath to pull it all together. So after that, we're going to go in with this rusty brick red right here. And I'm going to very lightly, just in the corner here, darken that outer corner. Now that we've got this like yellow, orangey, red vibe going, I'm going to go in with more of a yellow color. I think I'm actually going to go down the line here. I'm going to use this and then we're going to go in with this sparkly gold eventually. So with this color, I'm going to bring this down farther. So I'm actually going underneath and slightly on top of the line that I created using that first color to blend this yellow down into the lid. Alright, I think because I'm going so bold here, I might as well just go big or go home, and we're going to do a cut crease. So I'm going to go in with the NARS Creamy Radiant, which is the concealer that I'm currently using. So you see, just have a little bit of concealer there. And now I'm going to go back in with that cutesy little brownstone brush from SL Miss Glam. And I'm going to pick up this ridiculous yellow gold shade and I'm just going to pack it into this brush and then pack that right onto where I put the concealer. So after I do a cut crease, I don't think this is just me, I've never really noticed anybody else do this, but I think it's just because I'm messy and I don't use the right brushes. But I always kind of mess up the line a little bit, so I'm going to go back in with like that brick red and I'm just going to sculpt out the line that I've kind of messed up with this tiny crease brush. It looks bigger, but it's tapered down to be really small. I always try to do this with my eyes open so that I can see what exactly the line's going to look like while my eyes are open. Deepens the crease and also accentuates that line that we created, making the lid really, really pop. Right. Now, in lieu of the rainbow eye and Kat Von D, I'm going to break out an oldie but a goodie from the Too Faced and Kat Von D Better Together collection. Pop! I'm going to go in with this red that I have not really ever used, and I think I finally have a reason to use it. This guy. Put that in the outer corner to get this area really the red part of the rainbow, because that red is going to work me down into the purple, which will seamlessly lead into the next few colors. So I'm working that red kind of to blend the outsides of the gold into this orange color, and also, as I said, add red dimension to it. So with that, I will show you how to fix this awkward line that we've created here, because my life is an awkward line. I don't know what that means. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna go back in. It's like a pinky reddish shimmer. It almost has like an orange vibe to it too. So I think it's gonna be perfect to blend these two together. Yes. Are you seeing this? That is how you fix a mistake. So now we're getting this beautiful, shimmery, fiery, smoky eye going on top. So this is going to be the really hard part, where we have to somehow take this red and yellow and orange fiery Charmander vibes and blend them into a rainbow on the lower lash line. So the key to blending is to stick with colors that make sense together. You don't blend yellow together with purple. It just won't look right. It's going to look weird. what you would blend yellow with would be pink. So in the inner corner, okay, I'm going to go in with a pink color. I'm going to take a little smudger brush, like this one from Royal and Langkinkle. Someone will tell me how to pronounce that. And I'm going to get that pinky orange color back onto here. And I'm going to go into the waterline, the tear duct rather. Sort of connects the two. Gets the mood set for what we do next. I think that this purple is honestly going to go together perfectly with this pinky orange. Now, I'm going to do my face off camera and we're going to come back and we're going to finish. Kat Von D has honestly been such an influence in my life, in the beauty community, and just like as a person, she is so outgoing. And to meet her would be life goals. So I'm just going to throw that out there on YouTube, on the World Wide Web right now, in case she happens to stumble across it. Good job, Kat. Congratulations on 10 years. This is amazing.